Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm spilling the secrets on how you can make serious money using Instagram and YouTube. Trust me, I've been there, growing my own Instagram to over 200,000 followers and earning from both Instagram and YouTube. This is the real deal, and if you follow along, you might be next. Let's start with the basics, building a brand. On Instagram and YouTube, your niche is your identity. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What are people interested in? Once you find your niche, stick with it and create consistent, engaging content. My niche? Data science and IT skills, and I stuck to it with engaging posts, quality content, and a consistent upload schedule. Now let's talk growth. How do you actually build an audience on Instagram and YouTube? For Instagram, consistency is key. Post regularly, use trending hashtags, and make your captions engaging. Don't be afraid to use Instagram stories, reels, and even go live to connect with your audience. For YouTube, focus on SEO. Yes, even on YouTube. Use keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions to get discovered by new viewers. Creating content doesn't have to be difficult. AI tools make it easy. For Instagram posts, you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas, Canva to design eye-catching graphics, and InVideo for video editing. These tools can help you streamline your workflow and pump out content faster. On YouTube, tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy can help you optimize your video for search and discoverability. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually make money? Here are some income streams you can tap into with Instagram and YouTube: brand collaborations and sponsorships. Companies will pay you to promote their products if you have a solid audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links and earn a commission on every sale. Ad revenue on YouTube. Once you qualify, YouTube will pay you for ads shown on your videos. Selling your own products or services. Got a product or service? Promote it directly to your followers. One of the best things about social media income is that it can be passive. Once your videos or posts are up, they continue to earn you money over time. I also reinvested my earnings by creating more content and expanding my reach. This isn't just about one viral post, it's about consistent, long-term growth. So, are you ready to start your journey to earning online? Remember, growing on Instagram and YouTube takes time and effort, but with consistency and smart strategies, the rewards are worth it. Follow these steps, and you could be on your way to making thousands or even millions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you're ready to take your Instagram and YouTube journey to the next level. Let's make those millions together.